So hi everyone, my name is Zian James Envergado. So our task is to create a graphical user interface by applying Java AWT. And this is my previous project. So my previous project is all about the library management, and I choose the module admin dashboard. So let's start. So first one is I create public class library dashboard, and let's start. So I create a new frame library management dashboard, and height, and this is the sidebar panel, and colors, and height 200 width, and this one is the sidebar buttons. So buttons, dashboard admin, student workbook, turnbook, exit system, and sa ubos niya is dashboard title. So muna ang dashboard title, dashboard overview state. So dito ta sa static panels. So static panels is nakoy upat ka static panels. The total books, total registered students, total bar book, and total return book. So na sila value nga 3 ka total book and 1 registered student and civil bar book, and total return book is 1. So sa ubos niya is window closing level. So lang bunaw ng window closing handler ini-click nimo sa X is ma-close siya system. So dire na po is the system helper method for creating static panels, private panels, background color white, area for size. So diyan nagkita mga size. So let's run it. So this is the output of my code, and the left side is the buttons, pero di siya mo function kay may requirements di pa function. So kita dra ang dashboard, dashboard sa add book, add student, borrow book, return book, o exit system. So di na makita ang total books, total registered students, total borrow books, total return books. So nag-use ko dere og color nga cyan, blue, gray, o yellow, green kay mamay nabutang sa kuwang daan nga project. So color is blue, ang number is blue para makita sa mga users ay makita sa mga admin ang total niya. And nagamit ko yung dark gray and light gray. So ana ko direct add book na sila direct, pero dili pa na siya lamugana kay may requirements na to nga dili wala siya function. So mo yun ang dashboard niya. And dashboard overview of important statistics. So dili nyo makita ang mga total books na nakuha sa library o pila ka student yung na-registered. So isa pa yung na-registered student o total borrow book 7. So total return book is 1. So my code is so sila makita ang value 3171. Siya makita. And color cyan, light gray, orange, o green. So di makita ang ilang mga so that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.